Best running shoes. Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 Running Shoe. The Adidas Women's Adizero Adios Pro 3 is a high-performance running shoe built for elite runners and serious athletes aiming to maximize speed and efficiency during races and long-distance runs. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this shoe blends lightweight construction with advanced cushioning and propulsion features to enhance performance and reduce fatigue. At the heart of the Adios Pro 3 is Adidas EnergyRods 2.0 system, made of carbon-infused rods that mirror the bones of the foot to provide a snappy, propulsive feel with every stride. These rods work alongside a responsive Lightstrike Pro midsole, which delivers exceptional energy return while maintaining a feather-light feel. The dual-layer cushioning supports comfort over extended distances, making it ideal for marathons and competitive training. The upper is crafted from a lightweight, breathable mesh that ensures ventilation and a secure fit without adding unnecessary bulk. Its sleek, aerodynamic design also contributes to overall speed and responsiveness. The Continental rubber outsole offers excellent grip and durability, providing confidence on wet and dry surfaces alike. With its race-focused design, the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 caters to competitive runners who demand peak performance. Whether tackling a 5K, half marathon, or full marathon, this shoe supports powerful transitions, stability, and reduced energy loss. Stylish yet engineered for speed, it combines innovation and comfort in a way that supports breaking personal records. Ideal for athletes pushing their limits, it's one of Adidas' most advanced running shoes for women. Number 2. Saucony Triumph 22. The Saucony Men's Triumph 22 sneaker is designed for runners who crave premium comfort, cushioning, and a smooth ride over any distance. With its updated PUR PB midsole, this shoe delivers an ultra-soft and responsive feel underfoot, offering a luxurious experience that absorbs impact and returns energy with every stride. The Triumph 22 takes the already beloved features of its predecessor and refines them for even better performance and comfort. The upper features a breathable engineered mesh that adapts to the foot for a secure yet flexible fit. It hugs the foot without feeling restrictive, allowing natural movement while ensuring stability. An improved heel collar and padded tongue enhance the overall plush feel, reducing pressure points and preventing irritation during long runs. The outsole is durable and grippy, designed to provide traction on various surfaces without compromising flexibility. Ideal for neutral runners, the Triumph 22 supports everyday training, long-distance runs, or recovery days when maximum cushioning is essential. Whether you're tackling high mileage or simply seeking a comfortable, stylish sneaker for everyday wear, the Saucony Triumph 22 delivers top-tier support, cushioning, and smooth transitions. With its sleek modern design, it doesn't just perform well, it looks good too. This shoe is an excellent choice for runners who value both performance and plush comfort. The Triumph 22 proves that you don't have to sacrifice softness for speed, it's a premium running shoe that handles it all with ease. Number 3. Reebok Floatride Energy 6. The Reebok Women's Floatride Energy 6 sneaker is designed to deliver a lightweight, responsive, and comfortable running experience for athletes and casual wearers alike. Whether you're logging miles on the road or heading out for a light workout, this shoe offers the perfect balance of cushioning and performance. At the heart of this sneaker is Reebok's signature Floatride Energy Foam midsole, which provides an exceptional combination of lightweight responsiveness and long-lasting comfort. The cushioning adapts to your stride, helping to reduce fatigue during long runs or extended periods of wear. The outsole features strategically placed rubber zones that offer excellent traction and durability without adding unnecessary weight. The breathable mesh upper enhances ventilation, keeping your feet cool and dry even during high-intensity activities. A heel clip and refined fit structure improve stability and support, allowing for a secure feel on every stride. With its sleek design and modern silhouette, the Floatride Energy 6 not only performs well but also looks great with athletic or casual outfits. Whether you're a seasoned runner or someone seeking all-day comfort in a stylish package, the Floatride Energy 6 meets your needs. It combines innovative materials, thoughtful engineering, and Reebok's legacy of athletic performance into a versatile, go-anywhere sneaker. Ideal for daily runs, cross-training, or everyday use, this shoe is a reliable partner for women who demand both function and style from their footwear. Number 4. New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3. The New Balance Men's FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 running shoe is a high-performance footwear option designed to deliver speed, cushioning, and energy return for serious runners. Engineered with the latest fuel cell technology, this trainer provides a propulsive ride by maximizing energy return with each stride. It features a lightweight yet supportive upper made from breathable engineered mesh that ensures ventilation and comfort during long-distance runs. The V3 model has been refined for enhanced stability and responsiveness, offering a snug, secure fit that adapts to your foot's natural movement. One of the key highlights of the SuperComp Trainer V3 is its Energy Arc technology, which strategically combines a carbon fiber plate with a midsole void to increase energy return and improve efficiency. This makes it ideal for tempo runs, speed training, and even marathon distances. The high stack height provides substantial cushioning without compromising on responsiveness, giving runners a plush yet fast feel underfoot. Designed with durability in mind, the outsole uses strategically placed rubber in high-wear areas to improve traction and extend the shoe's lifespan. Whether you're training for a race or trying to hit a new personal best, the FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 is built to support your goals with advanced technology and comfort-focused construction. Its sleek, modern design adds visual appeal, making it a favorite for runners who want both performance and style. Overall, this shoe delivers a powerful combination of cushioning, support, and energy return for dedicated athletes. Number 5. Brooks Ghost 16. The Brooks Men's Ghost 16 neutral running shoe continues the legacy of one of Brooks' most popular running shoe lines, delivering a well-balanced blend of comfort, responsiveness, and support for everyday runners. This updated model features a lighter, sleeker design while maintaining the signature cushioning that makes the Ghost series a favorite among neutral runners. Equipped with DNA Loft V3 cushioning, the Ghost 16 offers a soft and smooth ride that absorbs impact effectively, making it ideal for both short jogs and long-distance runs. The engineered mesh upper has been improved for better breathability and an adaptive fit, offering secure lockdown without sacrificing ventilation. Runners will appreciate how the upper comfortably molds to the foot while maintaining structure in key areas for stability. The segmented crash pad and updated outsole geometry allow for smoother heel-to-toe transitions, providing a natural, flowing stride. In terms of sustainability, Brooks has taken steps to reduce environmental impact by using recycled materials in the shoe's upper. Whether you're training for a race, running for fitness, or simply enjoying daily walks, the Ghost 16 delivers a premium experience with dependable performance. With its perfect balance of cushioning, fit, and durability, the Brooks Ghost 16 is an excellent choice for neutral runners looking for a reliable daily trainer that can go the distance. It's a trusted companion that brings consistent comfort and performance mile after mile, whether you're running on roads, tracks, or treadmills.